In Viladecans, we live green. In line with the goals of the United Nations and the 2030 Urban Agenda, we've defined a strategy to advance in an ecological transition and promote a more sustainable lifestyle. With our Live Green project, we improve sustainability and look after biodiversity and the environment in order to face the challenges of climate change and at the same time provide physical, mental and emotional benefits for citizens. So it's important that we fulfill the 3-30-300 rule. Everyone should be able to see at least 3 trees from their home. These trees will not only enhance the urban landscape, but will also improve the emotional well-being of citizens. Every neighbourhood should have 30% of tree canopy cover. This will foster biodiversity and pest control. It will create more favourable microclimates and reduce noise and atmospheric pollution. There should be a green space within 300 metres of each home. These spaces will foster outdoor recreation, social interaction, and will promote an active and healthy lifestyle, reducing stress and improving our physical and emotional well-being. At the same time, they are climate comfort zones that will help to combat the heat island effect that occurs in the town in summer. We are working to restore the area around the Can Presa stream, creating green corridors, connecting natural areas thanks to the renaturing of new areas of the town, and also providing new habitats for native wildlife. All this will contribute to capturing CO2 from the atmosphere, helping us to meet another town challenge. By 2030, Viladecans should be climate neutral, because together with another 100 European cities, Viladecans is committed to fight against climate change. But this project would not be possible without your active participation. We want everyone, individuals and entities, to be able to decide our future. We want every citizen of Viladecans to feel proud of their environment. Together, we can make our town fairer and more sustainable. In Viladecans, to live better, we live green.